Namaste everybody, welcome to the session. So just health and safety warning, make sure you do as much as your body is letting you to do. If it's hurting, just come back to your normal position. Always do it step by step. Okay, we will start now with our routine. Loosening of joints, neck, right to left. Breathe in as you go up. Breathe out down. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. One more time, breathe in up. Breathe out down. Left to right. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Up, breathe in. Down, breathe out. Last time, up, breathe in. Down, breathe out. Shoulders back. Make a big circle. Breathe in, breathe out. Forward. Arms forward. Arms back. Hands on your shoulder, forward. Backwards. Elbows up and down. Rotate your elbows in one direction. Change direction. Your wrist in one direction. Change direction. Your fingers, your thumbs. Move them. Let the blood flow between them as well. Hands on your waist, clockwise, big circle. Keep your head and feet still. Pivot your waist around it. Anti-clockwise. Okay, hands on your knees, clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Open and close, open, close, close, open, close, outside in, other way around. Okay, stand up, lift your right leg, rotate your ankles in one direction. Change direction. Up, down, sideways. Change your leg, left leg, rotate ankles. Change direction. Up, down, sideways. Shake your body and then start jogging. Arm movements, leg movements. Breathe in without your nose. Slowly, slowly, we have to raise the pulse so that blood flows all over the body and then increase the speed. Speed up. Slow down. High knees. Hands back, legs touching your hips. Normal jogging. Alternate arms and legs. Side twister. Keep jumping. 10 forward skipping. Backward. Jumping. Star jump. Star jump. Jumping. Jumping and slow down and stop. Check your legs. Your calf muscles, loosen them up. Hands on your side, deep breathe in. Breathe out, go down. Breathe in, come up, arms up. On your toe, hold. Breathe out. Breathe in again. Breathe out, go down. Breathe in, come up, arms up. On your toe, hold. Breathe out. Okay, Satat Yoga. Continuous movement, sideways. 16 into 5 times, left, right, both, and up. सतत योग प्रकार एक करो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 left right both up left right both up calf muscles and shoulder the arms up, breathe in down, breathe out, up, breathe in down, breathe out. Prakar 2, number 2, continuous movement, front 1, left, right, same way. सतत योग प्रकार 2 करो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 left right both up left right both up calf muscles, loosen them up and so with the arms up, breathe in down, breathe out, up, breathe in down, breathe out. Wood chopper breath. Pretend like holding axe and then breathe in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Start. Hold your breath for some time. Next one is pumping. Hands on your side. Breathe in, breathe out through your nose now. Start. Hold your breath for some time. Now that your body is warmed up nicely, we will do dynamic stretches. So neck up, breathe in. Breathe out down. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Back to front, to left. Hold it. Then front. Then right. Hold it. Back to front. Tilt sideways. Ear to shoulder. Left. Hold. Back to front. To right. Ear to shoulder. Right arm across. Stretch. Stretch. Left arm across. Stretch. Stretch. Right arm up. Push your elbow back. Try to hold your hands at back. Stretch. Badal. Left arm up. Push your elbow back. Try to hold your hands at back. Okay. Sideways. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back twisting. So deep breathe in. Breathe out to right. Hold your hips. Breathe in front. Left. Front. Right. Front. Left. Front. Right. Front. And left. And back to front. Spread your legs. Right hand to left leg and left hand to right leg and one arm up. 8 times. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hands in front, back parallel to the floor. Look up, try to look at your forehead. Stretch, stretch. Go back between your legs. Head down. Stretch your legs further down. Breathe in, breathe out. Hold your left leg, forehead on your left knee. Stretch. Back to middle. Breathe in, breathe out. Hold your right leg, forehead on your right knee. Back to middle. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, come up. And go back. Back to middle. Now on to right side. Take your knee up to your toe. Stretch. Change left side. Stretch. Stand up. Lift your right leg up. Hug it. Sideways. Stretch. Stretch. Then back. Knees together in front. Change left leg in front. Stretch it nicely. Sideways. Stretch. Stretch. Then back. Knees together in front. Stretch. Okay, right leg in front. Bend your back leg. Hold your big toe. Touch the floor and sweep the floor and breathe in. Right leg further forward. Hands on the floor. Forehead on your front knee. Stretch. Stretch. Breathe in up. Change your leg. Left leg in front. Bend your back leg. Hold your big toe. Stretch your calf muscles, hamstring muscles. Touch the floor. Sweep the floor and breathe in. Left leg further forward. Hands on the floor. Forehead on your front knee. Stretch. Stretch. Keep stretching. Breathe in, come up and relax. Keep breathing in, breathing out. Okay, now we'll move on to sun salutations. Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar Sthiti. Join your heels, your toes, your palms forcing onto each other. Forearms parallel to the floor. Starting slok. You can say it with me or after me at the end. Dheya sada savitrumandalam madhyavarti Narayana Sarasija Sanasannivishta Keyuravan Makarakundalavan Kiriti Hari Hiranmaya Vapuradhruta Shanka Chakraha. First two, slow. and then regular speed. Om Mitraya Namaha. Breathe in up, look towards your palm, keep them joined. Breathe out, down, touch the floor, knees straight, forehead close to your shin. Breathe in, left leg back, left knee touching the floor, chest touching your thigh. Look up, lower back push forward. Breathe out, right leg back, straight line, head to heel, no hump. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Get your waist between your arms, look up, knees touching the floor. Breathe out, downward dog. Heels touching the floor, chin to chest. Left leg in front, breathe in. Right leg, knee touching the floor, look up, lower back push forward. Right leg in front, breathe out. Knees straight, forehead close to your shin, hands touching the floor. Breathe in, back to Namaskar. Om Ravaye Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. Right leg back, breathe in. Stretch nicely. Left leg back, breathe out. Straight line. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Right leg in front, breathe in. Left leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in, back to Namaskar. Now we will do it regular speed. Om Suryaya Namaha. Karo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Om Bhanave Namaha. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Om Khagaya Namaha. Karo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Om Pushne Namaha. Go. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Karo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Om Marichaye Namaha. Karo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Om Adityaya Namaha. Karo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Om Savitre Namaha. Karo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Om Arkaya Namaha. Karo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Go. Om Shri Savitru Surya Narayanaya Namaha. Guru. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, 9, 10, and break. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Keep breathing in, breathing out. We'll do set of 12s 2 times, 24 more. Come back up. Join your heels together, toes together, palms forcing onto each other. Deep breathe in, breathe out. करो. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. करो. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Through. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. Breathe out. करो. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. And break. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Keep breathing in, breathing out. Make sure whenever you do one step, you try to reach, further down. Improvise and try to make sure you reach, peak of each pose when you're doing it, at least for a fraction of a second. That is important. Keep breathing in, breathing out. Last set of 12, we will do it now. When we do it, with count, it be fast, but yeah, you can decide how fast you want to do it or slow. Okay, get ready. Heels together, toes together, palms forcing onto each other. Deep breathe in, breathe out. करो. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. करो. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. करो. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Breathe out. Go. Breathe out. करो. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. करो. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. करो. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Breathe out. Go. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Keep breathing in, breathing out. We will do ending shlok. Adityasya namaskaran ye kurvanti dine dine आयु प्रज्ञा बलम वीर्यम तेजस्ते शांच जायते. Rama, 1, 2, 3. Just relax for 10-15 seconds. Break. If you want to drink some water, have a sip. Or just a sip. Okay, as usual, we'll start with standing up poses and then go down. Spread your legs. We're going to do warrior 2, some power workout with warrior 2, simple ones only, but we'll do multiple times. Power workout is, doing the same things again and again. Spread your legs. Go right leg onto right side, and then bend your right leg on right side, hands sideways, and then look onto right side. So if you're looking onto right side, this is warrior 2. Then we'll go down on left side with side lunge. So come down as much as you can. Breathe in up. Warrior 2. This one we will do at least 4 times. Stretch here. Breathe in. Breathe out, side lunge. Breathe in up. Stretch your arms. Breathe out, down. Side lunge. Stretch your hamstring. Breathe in up. Stretch your arms. Breathe out, side lunge. Go down. We'll do 2 more times. Breathe in up. Stretch your arms and your thighs as well, knee forward. Breathe out, down. Now, like last time, breathe in up. Stretch your arms. Breathe out, down. Stretch, stretch. Come up. Relax. And now we will change the side. So, same way on left side. So left leg facing left side. Right leg 90 degrees to left. Bend your left leg. Hands parallel to the floor. Stretch your arms. Stretch. Look onto left side. When you are here, breathe in. Breathe out, down onto right. Namaskar in front. Breathe in up. Stretch your arms and your foot. Stretch your knee. Breathe out, side lunge. Breathe in up. Stretch, stretch. Breathe out, down. Stretch your hamstring. Breathe out, breathe in up. Stretch your arms. Breathe out, down. 2 more time. Breathe in up. Stretch your arms. Look onto left side. Breathe out, down. Last time. Breathe in up. Stretch, stretch. Breathe out, down. Stay here. Stretch. Breathe in, come up and relax. Okay. Just relax your muscles. Next one again, warrior 2 only, but we will do warrior 2 on right side. Then come back in middle and goddess pose, arms up, star pose like, and then again warriors 2 on other side. Okay. So if you're right side here, first look onto right side, then come in the middle, arms up, look in front, then left side, look onto left side. Then again repeat same. We will do at least 8 times total. Okay, keep the distance same. So right side, look onto right side, right leg facing right side. Come in the middle, legs facing in front, both legs, arms up. Now left leg to left side and push your left knee forward, warrior 2. Again up in front, now to right. Make the feet movements. That is important. When you are on right side, it should be 90 degrees to right side. When you're middle, both leg in front. When you're left side, only left leg move and 90 degrees to right leg. Breathe in up. Breathe out to right. Breathe in up. Breathe out to left. Breathe in up. Breathe out to right. Breathe in up. Breathe out to left. 2 more time. Breathe in up. Breathe out to right. Breathe in up. Breathe out to left. Last time. Breathe in up. Breathe out to right. Breathe in up. Breathe out to left. Breathe in up. Breathe out. Relax your shoulders, because you're keeping your arms up. It works on your shoulders as well, your back. Relax. Okay, next one. Again, simple. We'll do half tree pose and warrior 3. So tree, 3 to 3. Okay. So Hands on your solar plex, left leg in front. This is half tree pose. And then warrior 3, go down, backwards, hands in front, stay here, back to namaskar and come up and leg down and then switch. So we will do this 4 times both side. So right leg up, 90 degree roughly, take it back, first on your solar plex, get into position, then arms in front, stay here, back to front, leg down, left leg up, take it back, back parallel to the floor, hands in front, warrior 3, back to middle, slowly up, keep breathing in, breathing out while you're doing it, leg down, right leg up, take it back, your back parallel to the floor, hands on solar plex to begin with, then stretch your arms, back to middle, leg in front, down, it's 2 times now, 2 more time, left leg up, take left leg back, your back parallel to the floor, hands on solar plex, spread your arms in front, back to middle, legs in front, down, right leg up, right leg back parallel to the floor, hands in front, warrior 3, come back, middle, right leg down, now last time, left leg up, take it back, your back parallel to the floor, hands in front, stretch, back to middle, left leg down, and right leg up last time for the right side, right leg back, hands stretch, back to middle, relax, relax, just come down on your Vajrasan, relax here. Take breathe in, breathe out. Now next one, I think we do it at least once a week. Plank, push up, walk back in front, squats, and sit up. So 4 times all of them. So come into plank for 5 count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push-ups 2, 1, 2. Walk in front, walk back. Again, walk in front. Squats. Sit up, don't touch the floor. Hands on your back. Push, plank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push up. 1, 2. Walk in front. Back. Front. Come up. Squats. Sit up without touching the floor. Plank. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push up. 1, 2. When you come in front, push your forehead to your chin. Go back. Again, you come in front. Push your forehead to chin. Stand up and squats. Sit up. Plank. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push up. 1, 2. Walk in front. Forehead to your seat. Walk back. Walk in front. Forehead to your chin. Stand up. Squats. Sit down, sit up without touching the floor. We will do 2 more time. Plank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push up. 1, 2. Walk in front. For rotation. Walk back. Walk in front. For rotation. Breathing up, squats. Go down without touching the floor. Sit up. Last time, plank. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push up. 1, 2. Walk in front. Head for a twist. Walk back. In front again. For a twist. Breathing up on squats. Sit up. Okay, relax here. Go back on your back. Just relax. Keep breathing in, breathing out. Okay, come up and we'll go to cat and cow position. So on your toe, spread your knees roughly shoulder width apart. Take the distance. Your forearm in front, then palm. The mat distance for your palms in front. You can adjust your knees. Simple cat and cow. Breathe in, cat. Look up. Nice downward cow. Head to lower tailbone. Now when you're doing breathe out and going up, only chest movement. Tummy shouldn't be moving. Lift up your back up. Upward cow. This is cat. Now when you go to cow, only push your chest down between your arms. Breathe in down. Look up. Breathe out up. Cat. Breathe in. Cow. Breathe out cat. 2 more time. Breathe in cow. Breathe out cat. Last time. Breathe in cow. Breathe out cat. Just relax now. Relax. Stay here. And go down, back. Relax here. Now next one, we are going to do set of poses and come into fallen triangle. It's only down only. I'm just putting camera down. So I'll start with right side. So my right side onto opposite to the camera. So if you want, you can adjust so that you can see. So my right side is here. So come into downward dog to begin with. Nicely, you can relax your muscles, leg muscles. Then lift your right leg up. Three-legged dog, lift it up, come on your toe. Get it down now, and now get your right leg onto the right side, left side. You can check, yeah, right leg into left side. Now your left on your fingers, hands on your fingers. And then slowly, slowly left hand up. So this is the fallen triangle pose. Go down, hands down again. Now lift your right leg up. Fold it close to your thigh. and open it in front in the air. Don't keep it down. And if you can, lift your left hand up. This is improvisation. Stay here. Again, hands down, leg down, and relax and go back. I will switch so that left side can be done. Again, downward dog. Lift your left leg up on your toe of right leg. Get it back, bit, move it onto right side. Now on fingers of right hand up. Fallen triangle. Stay here. Hands down. Lift your left leg up in the air. Keep it set in the air. And right hand up. Right hand down, leg down, and back. We will do the same one more time, both sides, so that we know how we can practice more. Again, relax your muscles, leg muscles. Lift your right leg up on your left toe, up, stretch up, get it down, put it on the left side from your middle. Now on fingers of your left hand. Now left hand up, fallen triangle. Stay here. Breathe in, breathe out. Left hand down. Lift your right leg up, close to your thigh, left thigh. Straighten it up in the air, and then left hand up. Down, down, relax. Now to left side. Last time. Go back, relax your legs. Left leg up on your toe of right leg, up. Now left leg outside on your right side, on the floor, right hand fingers on the floor, left hand completely on the floor. Lift your right hand up. Fallen triangle. Right hand down. Lift your left leg up near your right thigh. Straighten it up now. And right hand up. One-legged fallen triangle. Slowly down. And relax. Relax your shoulders. Just move your shoulders. We are going to do now back. Easy ones. So come into butterfly. And then swing up and down. Get your heels close to your groin while you're doing this. And slowly, if you can, we'll just roll back and front. Okay, keep holding your toes nicely like this and come up and sit. Roll up, come up and sit. Roll up, come up and sit. Keep doing 2, 3, 4 times. Now, next time when you go down, try to sleep on the floor with holding your toes. Ideally, your toes should be down so you can hold your ankles. Try to keep your thighs, leg part parallel to the floor. If you want, you can keep it down and then just push your knees down. Slowly push your knees both sides with your hands down. Now lift your chest up only, same position, so that you go close to your heels as well, your groin. Push your knees down. Then Namaskar, join your hands and go back. Open your chest. Stay here. Stay here. Stay here. Get your hands back in front. Again, push your knees down, down, down. Now slowly just relax your legs and then come on to right side and come up and relax. Okay, now go on to Vajrasana. Come in front of mat because we are going to lie back. So again, go on your forearms, slowly, slowly support. Once you are there, try to keep your head down from the top, chest out. Take your hands back. Try to keep your knees together, thighs together. You will get more stretch. Slowly, slowly, hands back to down. And slowly, slowly, lift up, lift up, lift up. Now just take your heels out. Keep your hips down. So your heels are out. You're sitting ideally on your hips. Okay. If you can, if you can't, you can take some pillow or something on your hips. Again, go back on your forearms and similar way, go down, head down, hold your legs if you want. They are outside now. Your hips on the floor. Now take your hands back. Your chest up. Breathe in, breathe out. Get your hands back to the legs. Now with the support of your elbow, lift your body up slowly, slowly, slowly. Relax. Relax. Okay. Now lie down completely on the floor. Relax here for 10 seconds. Now we are going to lift only one leg up and hold it with your hand. Ekapada Angustasana. You know, the one which we normally do with standing. So hold your right leg toe with right hand. Left leg completely down. Try to keep your knees straight as much as you can. Pull it up as much as you can. At least, you know, as much you can, up to your chest, up to your shoulder, or up to your eye level. Slowly, slowly, we have to improvise. Keep your knees straight. Don't bend them as far as possible. Both knees straight. Stay here. 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly down. Now onto left leg. So lift your left leg up. Hold your big toe with your left hand. Knees straight. Straighten your knees up. Hand down, right hand down if you can. And then lift. Slowly, slowly lift it up. Chest level, shoulder level, eyes level, or above your head. Wherever you can, go. Do it. Slowly, slowly down. Relax. Now, next one is both legs. Hold your both toes with both fingers, both hand fingers. Straighten it up. And then try to keep your back on the floor. And then lift up. Keep your knees straight. You can try to keep your back on the floor. At least up to, you know, lower back. And then lift up. Knees straight. Slowly, slowly down, 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 legs down. Now just keep your right leg up and put then right leg down onto right side and left hand on the left side and look onto left side. Both arms spread. Now lift your right leg up and then put it on the left side and hold with your left hand and then right arm spread and look onto right side. So your right leg is pushed onto left side, holding with your left hand, right hand onto right side and look onto right side. Slowly, slowly back up. Change your leg, left leg up to begin with. Now left leg just down onto left side. Both arms spread and look onto right side. This is simple but relaxing. Now left leg up and move it onto right side from above your right leg. Hold it with your right hand, push it down. Left hand onto left side sideways and look onto left side. It's a spinal twist. Try to keep your back on the floor and only just push your left leg, left knee down. Slowly, slowly up, relax. Just stay here for 10 seconds. Breathe in, breathe out. Close your eyes. Just rhythmic breaths. We'll just do the happy child pose, relaxing pose before we finish. So hold your sole, your knees close to your shoulder, hands from inside, holding. Look at your toes. Nice smile on your face. Ananda Balasana, happy child pose. Slowly, slowly down. Now come on to your right side and lift your body up and come up. We'll just finish off with pranayam. So back straight, hands on your knees, index finger forcing onto your thumb, neck straight, concentrate on your nose tip. Close your eyes. We will do simple breathe in, breathe out, pranav 3 times. Start. Next one is Udgit, chanting of Omkar, Uvenma, all 6 syllables, 3 times. Deep breathe in. Breathe in. Last time, deep breathe in. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Next one, Kapalbhati. Deep breathe in to begin with and exhale continuously 1 per second. Health and safety warning. If you have periods or pregnant or about to get pregnant, avoid this. Or if you have high blood pressure, low blood pressure, you breathe in on every exhale. Start. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Next one is Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breaths with your right thumb. Close your right nostril, breathe in from your left. Close left, open right, breathe out. Breathe in from right. Close right, open left, breathe out. 2 more times, start. Always finish exhaling on left. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Next one is Brahmari, humming sound, buzzing sound. So with your index finger, just put it on above your eyebrows, middle finger on your eyes, third finger on your nose, fourth finger above your lips. Before you close your thumb with your ear with your thumb, you'll do 3 times. Breathe in and chant Om, but our mouth is closed, so we end up doing humming sound. Start. Mm. 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 Slowly, slowly, hands down. Keep your eyes closed. Normal breathe in, breathe out. We will finish with the Vishwa Prarthana, prayer for all, first in Sanskrit and then in English. You can say with me or with after me at the end. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kashit Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Prayer for all in English. May all become happy. May all be free from illness. May all see what is auspicious. May no one suffer. Let there be peace everywhere. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Raise your hands. Brush your palms. Make them warm. Keep brushing. Keep brushing. When they're warm enough, make a cup onto your face, onto your eyes. Massage gently your eyes with your fingers first. Then your forehead, massage your forehead. Then your side of the forehead above your ear. Then back of the neck and open your eyes slowly. And namaste. Dhanyavad. Thanks a lot for joining in.